Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Mazda CX-7 Luxury Sports, stock reference number 5388. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Tailgate has one small dent, less spoiler. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen,